you guys. Hello, hello, hello. I am full of grass. I gotta go take a shower. Oh my God. You guys see I am sweating like crazy. Good. Whew. I'm sweating so bad. And it took me 30 minutes to cut 15 minutes to cut the grass. I cleaned out a lot of weeds out of the yard. So today, my 30-minute workout was the yard. Yard work is a 30-minute workout. Why? I'm walking. Right now, I'm gonna go take a shower, get freshened up, and then we'll see what I'm having for my meal today. All right, I've got my shower out the way. I had to put on something nice and flowery and dressy and different. You guys been seeing me sweating. You guys been seeing me looking a hot mess. It's almost a week, and I feel so good. I have so much energy. I've had so many things that I got done this week. And so now I'm going to get ready and have my dinner. And you know what I'm having for dinner? I am having fried gizzards and a salad. That's what I'm having. And if you go to my other channel, Budget Wise Cooking, you'll see exactly how I clean them, how I tenderize them, and how I fry them. And so go check those out on the other channel and see how I made them. But they are so good, so good. But that's what I'm having for dinner today. And it's just been really nice this week to feel like I've done something, you know, like I've really done something. And I thought I was going to be really sore, and I'm not. I mean, my back hurts a little bit, my arms hurt a little bit, but like I say, I take that as a good thing because I'm doing that. I'm causing them to have a little pain because I'm working out. And what they say, no pain, no gain. I hope this builds up my stamina, makes me feel a little more toned up, you know, and not so flabby. And lose some pounds. We'll see how that goes. I've been trying not to get on the scale other than the I forgot how many days ago it was, and I had lost 3 pounds. So let's see. I'll do my weigh-in tomorrow and see what's the total of pounds I lost for this week. But I think me losing weight so quick was probably just for the simple fact I had not worked out in a while. And now that I'm doing it, it just feels good. But when I was working out, my trainer, I thought I was going to lose weight. And what I did was I got toned. I lost no weight, but I got toned. So I'm kind of like, I got a lot of weight I need to lose, so I should be losing something, you know. And I'm just going to keep going. It's not going to stop me. But another thing I wanted to tell you guys, when you're searching for options to purchase things or whatever, make sure you find out what discounts you get as a senior citizen. And now a senior citizen can be from the age of 55 to 65, depending on, you know, what type of place you're at. Some people consider 55 as going into senior citizen, 62, senior citizen, 60s, you know. But just find out, you know, when you go to check for things, make sure you check and see if it's something that can be discounted because you're a senior citizen. You know, we get discounts at a lot of restaurants, and you know, that's a great thing because anytime you're on a fixed budget, fixed income, it's always great to find out if they have any perks or any benefits that you can receive because you are a senior citizen, and that can be from the age of 55 to 65. So make sure you check into that. All right, so what I'm going to do now is just relax for a moment, then I'm going to get ready to eat, and I'll show you guys my plate. And that'll be it for today. You guys saw me out in that yard mowing that lawn. You saw me coming in sweating like crazy. Oh boy, what a day. I'm actually tired and it's still early, but that's because I got up early and started doing stuff, you know. So I'll talk with you guys later after it's time for me to eat. It's not time for me to eat yet. I'm still trying to eat as far in the afternoon as I can, and that way that holds me throughout the rest of the evening. All right, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, you guys. Did you see my lovely plate here? Got my salad and my gizzards. These things are so good. I don't even know. Let me see. I couldn't tell you what they taste like. It's like chicken, but it's got a chewy taste to it, a chewiness to it that you don't get from chicken, but it tastes like chicken. Oh, with the right seasonings on them. I mean, even if you just season them with salt and pepper, they'd be good. But I just put other flavors in there to bring out a taste, you know, and they are really good. So this is my meal for today, and I had a wonderful day. I got my grass cut, got my 30 minutes in, got the weeds cleaned up in my yard. I feel good, took a shower, finally got some clothes on that look decent rather than workout clothes. And I guess I'll have to see you guys tomorrow. So you guys take care of yourselves, and let's see what we can get into tomorrow. Love you guys. Mwah.